Hi, everybody. Good morning. I wanted to talk to you about the Westchester University Business Idea Competition. It's been in existence, I believe, for probably 7 or 8 years, and our students here at Westchester East have had a tremendous amount of success in this competition. And I just wanted to kind of share with you, why would you want to do something like this? So this program through Westchester University has all different levels of competition. So my most favorite part of it is that there's a Chester County High School division so that you're only competing against other high school students. My second favorite thing about it is that it's very accessible. And what I mean by that is that you're not writing a 5-page paper. You don't have to build a prototype of your idea. You don't have to prove your idea works. If you notice that it literally says idea competition, it's all about your ideas. So what I have put together for you today is this is not an assignment for any of your classes, but it just could be something that you would like to do. The due date for this is going to be February 28th. So that is not any kind of business class East High School assignment due date. That is literally for this competition. That's what the due date is. So to start out with, what you would do is come to the site wcubizideas.com. When you log in, you're going to see this is what it looks like. You can choose learn more, look at some examples and different things, or you can create an account and choose apply now. But I want to show you very quickly when you do learn more what you're going to be able to see. So first of all, it's going to give you the quick rundown of how this works. Also, as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the tracks we just said, Chester County High School. And then also, if you come on down, you're going to be able to see the prizes. I love the fact that Westchester University actually gives cash prizes. The other thing I love is that in the last 6 or 7 years, East High School students have taken the first or second place and won cash money. So I love that for the kids. As we come on down here, oops, that's not what I wanted to show you. In all of your classes and even in our deck of stuff, I actually put this in as an assignment for you. So it's not a real assignment, but you're going to notice in all of your classes that it's right down here, WCU Biz Ideas. So when you come into this, here's your link. And then I put for you here what it is that they're going to be looking for. So 1 to 5 is what they're going to be looking for. For those of you that currently have class, and also for my cyber students, what I'm asking you to do is to take these 5 different things and then record them into a Google Doc and submit that instead of other work that you're doing for class this week. I don't know if you've thought about it, but I don't work for Westchester University. So if you only do the submission, I'm never going to see what you've done. So if you would like to do this as an alternative assignment to other things in class, I need that Google Doc so that I can see what you've done. And I also want to see proof of your submission. So again, the due date for this is February 28th. I hope to see some of you take advantage of it, mostly because I know some of you would just absolutely rock it. And I hope that we've got some kids that make it to the finals. So you'll be able to find this in all of your classes. Again, this is not something that is a grade for you. This is not a mandatory assignment. I only put this in as an assignment for you so you could easily find it. And if you would like to do this during class time, then you will be exempt from other classwork. I'm here to help you out. Let me know if I can do anything for you. Take care.